Hello everyone, welcome back on Treat for Foodies. Today I am going to show you how to make eggless red velvet cake without oven. For the base we need 1 cup maida, 3/4 cup powder sugar, 1.5 teaspoon cocoa powder, half cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup oil and 2 teaspoon red food color. So let's start by preheating the cooking pot. For that add 2 cup salt and keep the wire rack on it. Turn on the flame to preheat the kadai. Meanwhile mix all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then add buttermilk, oil, vanilla essence and mix it well until no lumps are left. Now add red food color and mix it till mixture gets an even color. Take a 6-inch cake tin. Here I am using heart-shaped tin. You can use any other shape you have. Grease the tin and keep butter paper. Now pour the cake batter in it. Keep the tin in preheated kadai or cooking pot and cover it. Bake it for 35 to 40 minutes on low flame. Do a toothpick baking test after 30 minutes. When the baking is done, put the cake base aside till it cools down to room temperature. Meanwhile, beat the whipped cream. Now cut the base into 2 parts. And soak the bottom part of the base with the sugar syrup. Apply whipped cream and spread it evenly. Keep second half of the base, then soak the base with sugar syrup. Now cover all sides of the base with cream. Keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. After that, decorate the cake as you like. Cake is ready. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.